Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today's video is based on a touch issue on your iPhone 16 Pro Max. As if you can see that if you're facing any touch issues on your iPhone 16 Pro Max, it's very easy to sort it out. First you need to go to the settings mode here. After going to the setting modes, what you need to do, just go on your camera settings here, tap on the camera settings. After going to the camera settings, you just see that there's a camera control option here. Just tap on it. After going to the camera control option, you need to slide down and there's an option accessibility. Tap on the accessibility. Make sure that your light press force is on a lighter mode. Previously, if you have seen that it was on a default mode, put it on a lighter mode. And another setting you need to do is double light press speed is slower mode. So that's how you can sort your issue of facing difficulties with your iPhone 16 Pro Max touch issues. That's how it can easily be sorted out. Thank you very much for watching the video. I hope you have liked the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.